Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Toyota Tacoma navigation maps. Keeping your vehicle's navigation system up to date is crucial for accurate routing and finding new destinations. We'll explore the common methods, including using an SD card or a USB drive, and discuss the convenience of dynamic navigation. Understanding these options will help you maintain the best possible navigation experience in your Tacoma, ensuring you always have the latest road information at your fingertips. For many Tacoma models, updating your navigation maps involves using an SD card. First, carefully remove the existing SD card from its slot in your vehicle's head unit. Next, on your computer, download and install the official Map Update Toolbox application. Insert your SD card into your computer, open the toolbox, and log in to your account. The software will then guide you to download the latest map content directly onto your SD card. Once complete, safely eject the card and place it back into your Tacoma to enjoy updated navigation. Another common method for updating your Tacoma's navigation maps is using a USB flash drive. Begin by inserting a FAT32 formatted USB drive with at least 32 gigabytes of free space into your vehicle's navigation system. Follow the on-screen prompts to download your system's information onto the drive. Then, on your computer, install the NavExtras toolbox. Connect the USB drive to your computer, log in, and download the available map updates. Finally, reinsert the updated USB drive into your Tacoma to complete the installation process. Many newer Toyota Tacoma models come equipped with dynamic navigation, offering convenient over-the-air map updates. This service often includes a complimentary trial, usually lasting for 3 years, providing real-time map data. After this trial period, a subscription is typically needed to continue receiving these automatic updates. If your vehicle doesn't support dynamic navigation, or if you prefer professional assistance, your local Toyota dealership can also perform map updates for you, ensuring your system is always current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.